Hey honey, I'm back again with recipes that make you want to cook, and today we're making this beautiful mashed potatoes. The ingredients will be written in the description box down below. You can find the full written recipe and it is printable at www.wannacook.co.za. You're gonna place your chopped potatoes in a pot and fill it with cold water. Season with some salt, about a teaspoon should do. Mix it in, and you're going to cover and simmer that for about 15 to 20 minutes. If they're not done, then you can give them an extra 5 to 10 minutes. This is after about 15 minutes, and for me they were not really done. The way that I check is that if it is easily pressable against my pot with the fork, so my fork could not go through it easily, so I let it sit for another 10 minutes. When they are done, you will see that the potatoes are easily mashable against the pot, but you can have some that are a bit textured. Going to separate the water from the potatoes and put your potatoes in a bowl. And for the ingredients, you're going to need some onion and fresh parsley, some garlic, melted butter. You can use salted or unsalted butter. It's also up to you, honey. Then you're going to need some plain cream cheese. You're going to need some milk, and for the seasonings, I'm going to use some green onion seasoning and as well as some aromatic roast potato seasoning. To mash my potatoes, I use an electric beater. Please forgive me, guys. I forgot to hit record when I was starting to do this, and I only realized when it was nearly done that I did not hit record. So you want to mash your potatoes using an electric beater is just going to make them creamy and extra fluffy. Going to set that aside. Then we're going to make the sauce that's going to flavor our mashed potatoes, honey. It's going to be velvety. Add all the remaining ingredients into the blender, and we're going to blend until super smooth. I do want to say that when you're using an electric beater to mash your potatoes, it goes into stages. Unfortunately, I couldn't show you. So it goes from firm to super silky and creamy like me. So as you beat, you will just see it kind of gradually, transform. So you can stop at the consistency that you like. Some people like their mashed potatoes firm, some them like velvety, super creamy and silky, just like me. I feel like mashed potatoes doesn't need any gravy. It should be edible on its own. You're gonna go ahead and taste your sauce. It's done, super smooth, beautiful and creamy, honey. Then you're going to pour it into your mashed potatoes and mix it through. It's delicious, it's velvety. And another thing is that this sauce, you can use it as a dip for many other things. So yeah, that is a tip. I swear these mashed potatoes are so flavorful. I want to tell you that they are sharp because of the onions. So if you're not an onion person, you can lessen the amount or you can leave it completely or just opt for onion powder because it's less sharp. I love onion, and yeah, I hope you try the recipe and enjoy. Please like and share, and I will see you on the next one.